Hi, everybody. This is Cindy Clow with Anything But Routine. And today I'm going to be talking about the National Dance Coaches Conference, which is coming up in Dallas on May 14th through the 16th. So if you want to mark that down on your calendar. And I have nothing to do with this other than I speak at it a lot. I set up an exhibitor booth and I have helped. I originally was on the board and then COVID hit and I kind of bailed on them to take care of my own company at that point. But I'm still very involved in helping push it. So I got an email from one of my good friends, Carrie Smith. She is on the board and she's on the campaign for Secure Your Spot at the National Dance Coaches Conference. And if you want to try to secure your spot right now, you will be guaranteed the lowest price, and it's $400 if you do it before November 1st. And the code is good until November 15th. And registration for the conference opens on November 1st. But yeah, if you go on the NDCA site, there will be a link there that you can go to. And this year's theme is Dreaming in Dallas. And they have a lot of fun events planned this year, including an open pajama cocktail party. Ooh, I got to try to think what I'll wear to that. And little black dress gala as usual, and they will have a networking galore and cutting edge classes. Now, I know I have enjoyed some of the classes there so very much, and I've been in this industry a long time, and I still find myself learning a ton of information. It's so exciting to network with other people. The awards are amazing. Just seeing who is standing out in their area of the country and finding out that your state is just a little pin dot on the whole United States. And it's just such a great time to network with people. And there's booths at this, and we've set up a trade booth most years. And gosh, there's just all these different vendors there with everything dance related, dance team coaching, stuff like costumes, poms, camps, all that type of thing. So you will have a lot of fun. And it's also neat because you can go with your fellow coaches from your community, or if you go by yourself, you will meet a ton of people. So let's see which state will be the best represented at the NDCA. Again, the event is on May 14th through the 16th, Dreaming in Dallas, Texas. And, we want to see you there. So again, go on the website and link for the lowest price of the year, which will be $400. And it does go up. I'm one of those people that, usually wait a while. I even know I'm going and I don't register right away. I'm going to do it this year. So get on there and register for Dreaming in Dallas.